Hey VV Nation, Glenn here. Welcome to our channel, and this video is entitled The Right Stocks at the Right Time. Part of making money in the market is finding the right stocks to buy at the right time, and the other half is the result, whether they go up or go down in price. But the goal is to be able to find the right stocks to take advantage of the current situation. And here's my list of the right stocks for the current situation. Yes, I know that Apple and Amazon both beat earnings and revenues last night. That's going to probably push the market higher. One day doesn't make a trend. And is it enough to overcome these Contra ETFs that I got right here? That's where I think we should be. Now, this list has Contra ETFs, but it also has two additional ETFs or stocks. WTI for oil. Oil is going to be a good play because the demand is high and the supply is low. And my other one is playing the volatility of the S&P 500. As the market moves, whether up or down, volatility will increase. And currently, it's at a value of or a price of 18.38. And normally when it gets in that $20 range and the higher it goes around that range, the bigger the volatility is, the more volatility is in the market, it's a great play as well. Let me explain how I got to this point. We're going to go back to our market timing graph. Now, I wanted to do this video because I did a live stream not too long ago and someone challenged us in regards to the information that we give. Let me tell you something. On the YouTube channel, people are either looking for stocks to buy and that's it, or they're looking for stocks to buy along with information. Tell me where you sit in that space. Or is it from our channel, you just want stocks to buy? Type in the word stocks. But if you want stocks put together with valuable information, put information. Again, this is a recorded video, so I can't see this live, but I'm curious to know because we want to make a concerted effort to make sure we give what our customers, what our subscribers want on the YouTube channel. So again, a lot of you just want stocks. And if that's the case, put stocks. But if you want the stocks along with the great information that we can provide for you and insight, I want you to put information. Understand this as well. We can give you stocks. That's us giving you a fish. But if you want to eat for a lifetime, we want to teach you how to fish, and that's where the information comes in. All right, so as the market was rising here, we have an indicator that lets us know when the market is looking toppy. That's the MTI. A little bit more information about the MTI. It tracks three of our indicators: the price of the VectorVest composite, the buy to sell ratio, how many stocks are buys compared to sells, and RT, if the market is going up or down in price. Those are three very crucial indicators that help put into the MTI to let us know when the market is looking for a top or a bottom. Well, when it gets to a range of about 1.5 or higher, the market is definitely looking toppy. We've been at that range. What have we been telling you? Even though the market was going up, what have we been telling you? All about caution. Be careful. We've got videos that show you how to techniques on how to take profits on stocks that you already own that have already made you a lot of money. And we emphatically want to put you on the right side or err on the side of caution to keep you not giving back all your money that you've made. So what happened? Another thing, the July high, July 31st, looks like it was the actual July high. Dr. DeLito, the founder of VectorVest, has always warned us about the July high. After the July high happens, normally the market pulls back until we get to the fall time. All right. So there's a July high on the last trading day of July. And another thing, at that level of resistance, the market timing indicator letting us know it's toppy. I use 3 and 8 exponential moving averages. They crossed a couple of days ago. So even though Apple and Amazon beat, and why do they move markets? Let me tell you why they move markets. Apple has a market cap of $3.02 trillion. Amazon's got a market cap of $1.32 trillion. Two of the most heavily traded stocks out there. Apple's got more than twice the market cap than Amazon. And yes, because they both beat on earnings and on revenues, they probably will help to move the market up. One day doesn't make a trend, especially after everything that I just explained to you. All right, the market's still looking tough. Interest rates are still going up. That's going to affect the market. The credit rating got affected. That's going to affect the market. There's a lot of things moving against the bulls right now, but will they have their day in the sun today? They most likely will once the market opens up. Those two start moving. All right. And I think that pre-market, Amazon was up about 8% today. All right. So we'll see. All right. So that's my case about why I think that Contra ETFs are the right play for the right time. That's my case. Let's go back to them. All right, here they are again. WTI and UVXY are outside of the Contras. Now, what is a Contra? A Contra is a contrarian traded fund. It's a contrarian EFT. All right, so ETF. Gosh, early in the morning. ETF, exchange traded fund. It works opposite of the market. So when the market's going down, these will go up in value. When the market's going up, these will go down in value. A lot of these are at triple leverage, so be careful with these. These can make you a lot of money really fast, but they can lose you a lot of money really fast as well. So you've got to be careful. Notice that all of them are sell recommendations. That's because the market's been going up. If the market's going up, these go down. But when the market goes down, these go up. This is a great way to play the downside of the market without having to short stocks. And if you don't know how to play options, without having to buy puts or sell covered calls. It's a great way to take advantage of a downward moving market. Why is that important? Because stocks go down faster than they go up. Down markets will afford you great opportunities to make money, especially in the short term. All right, so SQQQ, SRTY, TEX, HIBS, and SOXS. These are my stocks that I have to play for the right time. Again, the other two, the WTI and the UVXY, are outside of the Contra ETFs to a certain degree. Oil, we're still all here bullish on oil because of the lack of supply. And UVXY is a great play, especially when the market starts to really moving down. Volatility will tend to spike. That's a great, and it's $18.38, a little down yesterday, but relatively inexpensive. Notice that a lot of the stocks that I have here are under 50 bucks. For a lot of people who don't have a lot of money in the market, this is a great way for you to still take advantage of a downward trending market. Now, with all of that being said, there's a couple of things that I want to talk about. One, if people don't think that you care, they don't care about what you think. We care. This is the reason why I'm asking you, what are you looking for when it comes down to our channel? Is it stocks or is it information? All right. And if you put information, that means you want the stocks and the information. If you just put stocks, that means you just really want us to give you a fish. We can do that. Actually, on a lot of our videos, we do give you a fish, but we like to back it up a lot of times in our videos with giving you the information. I got a call to action right now. This is, normally I do the Friday videos, as you know. If you would like the opportunity for me to recap the week on Fridays and always try to put you in the stocks that are right for the current situation, I want you to type in the word continue. All right. That lets me know. And you guys have a voice. This video gives you guys the power to have a voice. Type continue in there. And I will do my best that I can every Friday to go back and look at what's going on in the market. Look at what's going on in the market and try to put you in the right stocks going into the next week. And a good way for me to manage that or watch that, if we get over 500 likes on this video, then your voice is speaking out loud and clear. All right, I'm gonna take advantage of one other situation that happened in a live stream, and that was looking at our information and thinking that we weren't giving the right information. I'm going to go to the views, and I'm going to go back in time. All right, this is our footprint in the sand. Let's go back to the 31st. And the guidance here, and this is important. This is why I'm asking the question, if this is something that you would like for me to continue doing. Because you've got to be able to read what we've got here. Noticing that on the 31st, when I look at our color guard, I had 23 yellow lights, 21 green lights, 1 red light. What was the predominant color? Yellow. What was that telling you? caution. Primary wave going back and forth. It's the fastest indicator that we have. But I'm looking at our other market timing indicators. They were still up, and we were still talking about caution. Why? Because the MTI, look at that. The MTI was in that range of letting us know that the market was topping. All right, on the 31st, let's scroll down. And this is where the question came up. Prudent investors may buy stocks long. What if the market is rising? The statement was, VectorVest said on that day, all 3 green lights, even though we were talking about caution, that it was okay to go buy stocks. What's the key things here? If the market was rising, the aggressive investors and traders should play the market, but with a bias to the upside because the primary wave was up. All right, let's take that information. That was on the 31st. If the market is rising, what happened the next day? The market didn't rise. Learning how to read what we put in there is crucial rather than just saying, VectorVest says, go have at it. We never said that. Now, on the bullish side, on the more aggressive side, we did. But what happened the next day? Even if you were more aggressive and we had a bias to the upside, what did the market do? It went down. Not only that, we got more confirmation the next day. And then we got more confirmation yesterday. Now, on top of that, again, Apple and Amazon are probably going to move the market to the upside. Is that enough for you to turn around and say it's okay to go buy stocks? We still have, and I love that the MTI went back below the value of 1.5. We still have that level on the composite of $60.92. Until we can break through that level, the market really doesn't have upside. All right? We just had a credit rating drop. That's going to affect the market adversely. There's a lot of things that are moving against the bulls right now that I just want you to be cautious. Now, I can't tell you what the market is going to do. I don't know. But I can at least err on the side of caution to make sure that you're in the right place at the right time. And this is what I'm looking for. All right. Let me know in the comments about the video. If you're brand new to the channel, you found this useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Again, I'm looking for 500 likes or more if you would like for me to continue the Fridays videos, to go back and to do a recap of the week and prepare you with the best stocks for the current situation or for the market right then and there. All right. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Don't forget, share this content as well. Once it's on our channel, share it. Let people know what we're doing here at VectorVest. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, did you know that there's 7 deadly sins that can keep you from consistently making money in the market? If you would like to know more about those sins, and if you are falling victim to any of them, he goes right now to www.vectorvest.com/YT7sins to get your free report. You don't want to miss out on this, so do that right now.